So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you some little expression to Despill. Okay, so let's start our video. And before starting this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai MERA, BAJRANGBALI. Now, so I have this footage for now. So simple, I take one key light. Just for example, I take a key light and I just pick this color from here and I just remove roughly. Okay, I just removing roughly. Okay, now I am taking a copy and just give here and just print. Okay, now see, so don't worry about the spill. Now if I want to take a spill, I can use PFS skill pill, right? Like this. Okay, so most of guys you know how to take PFS skill pill, right? But I am taking another node that is called expression. If I take type here expression, I'm taking the expression node. Now what I will do, so if you guys see here, still some greenish is there. If I increase a little bit my saturation, now see, still some green spill is there. Sometimes what happen, sometimes we get some extra green spill also. I'm not talking about edge spill. Okay, I'm just talking about core spill. Okay, I mean in the inner spill. Okay, not the edge spill, inner spill. Okay, so sometimes what happen, we have to take another hue correct node, like that we have to suppress this green spill, right? Little bit, some shot, in some shot, in most rare, not shot, in rare shot we have to some do extra spilling, right? Like this, I'm getting some little warm tone, right? I need to suppress this greenish, right? If I want as a requirement for the shot, sometimes you record, right? So we take a hue card node and just we refine the spill, right? So I am getting this expression node. So what is the help of this node? If you guys take the hue correct node, then you have to just pick the select the color and just range down the curve, right? But in here, just simply go in the green tab and in this section type G for green, star, I mean multiply in bracket 1 minus, now give a value for 0 for now. Now see, nothing will happen, right? Now you have to give this 0 a value, proper value, but note, you have to put my, if you want to guys put a value, it should not be less than 0 or not should be higher than 1. Okay, you have to put in between 0 to 1. Now I am putting 0.08. if I put, see my extra spill up, right? See, I have done extra spill, right? My extra, I mean my extra spill is gone, right? Green spill is gone. I have done some extra despill. Okay, see, but it's not working in the edges, right? Because it's a high contrast, right? So in edges it might be not work, in subshot might it work, but most of the cases it will not work, I hope. But it will remove the extra spill, right? See, the extra spill is gone. Sometimes we have to use, right? Sometimes we have to use in the skin, especially in the skin area. For example, if I do screen replacement in the phone, or if I do some type of replacement, screen replacement work, then that time some reflection will be still there. If I add also this spilling like PFS skill pill, then also my some spill would be there in the hand area, right? The reflection area. So we can take a grade node, or you can take a hue correct node, but we have to just play with the range, right? If I take the hue correct node, we have to select the color and the play with the range curve. But using this expression node or this expression, I can just simply just put the value and I can give any number for me. If I give 1, for example, if I give 1, but it will spill too much extra, right? Now see, it will goes to red, I mean magenta. So don't put 1, just try to put in between 0 to 1. If I put 0.18, see, another, see, more spill is gone, right? But don't do too much extra, just try 0.8, 0.3 as per short measurements. Okay, see, edges are not going, but the inner spill is going, right? Extra spilling is going after increase the saturation node. I guess I think you guys are understanding, right? If I on off this, see, the extra spill, extra reflection is gone, right? See from here, the extra spill is gone, right? See. So I hope this expression will be helpful for you guys in some shots. Okay, not every shot, but in some shot, so that if I take this shot, if I just roughly do a PFS skill pill here, see, the green is gone, but see, still there is some extra spilling, right? Some warmness. So if I take this expression, same here, take expression, now type G start 1 minus 0.08, for example. See, my extra warmness is gone, right? See, so cool, right? So just practice this expression, okay? And I hope you guys find this very useful. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to others. Thank you. Before ending this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Mera Babaji.